Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to change country or region in Theme app. Let's get started. Open the theme application on your smart device and check if you are logged in to your account. By opening the theme application on the homepage in the very center at the bottom of the screen, look for your profile and click on it. Clicking on your profile will open a new page where you will click on the setting option in the upper right corner of the screen. Then, in the drop-down menu, scroll down to the Country and Region option and click on it. The application will open the next page and offer a list of countries that are available in the Temu application. It's up to you to choose the country you want, and click on it. By selecting your preferred country or region, the app will automatically update to reflect your new location. You may need to restart the app for the changes to take full effect. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can change your country or region in the Theme app. This can help you access region-specific content and features. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.